I'm Mary Jo West with the West Team and Keller Williams Realty in the Birmingham, Alabama metro area. And for the past 6 months or so, we've been building with Beth and Ed in a video series about their new build in Liberty Park, a master planned community in the Vestavia area of the Birmingham, Alabama metro area. It's less than 2 months now before they close on their home, and this is just a quick update. We have now finished our framing review, and now we see that brick has been added and also all of the insulation is being put in. We're ready for sheetrock now, and things are really beginning to take shape.
We're thinking we'd like just the brick and the wood parts of the house to all be the same color, just 𝐤𝐿𝐥𝐬 white.
Yes.
�SHOJI.
But y'all said it before.
So, what do you think? It's coming along very nicely. I'm Mary Jo West with the West Team and Keller Williams in the Birmingham, Alabama metro area, and we're building with Beth and Ed. Stay tuned and we'll keep you updated.